Listen closely. Every sound tells a story. When you get the train just in time, you feel relief. But the way you express it can change everything. If you say, Ando itashimashita, it means I'm relieved. People around you may smile knowingly at sharing your calm. But if you shout, Yattaze! Children may laugh through their noses and passengers quietly step away. Oh, true elegance lies in quiet relief. Drop your voice softly. Let the sound fall like the train entering the station. Elegant Japanese shows even you live in a beautiful way. So, say it, feel it, enjoy it. But if you keep shouting, Yattaze! Oh, the station staff may show you the exit.